or welcome back to my channel. So I quickly installed some twists in my head. I don't know if I want to call these Havana twists, Marley twists. I think they're leaning more towards Marley. I'm not really sure. But anyways, it didn't take me, it took me like an afternoon and I did it really slowly. Yeah, I just needed a break from doing all the other styles I typically do, and I wanted some like long braids. Now, let me tell you guys quickly about the hair that I used. Side note, I have a cough drop in my mouth because my throat is so scratchy. I don't know what is going on. I hope it's just allergies. Anyways, the hair that I used was the X-pression Jamaican, oh crap, I don't know. I'll put it down below. Whatever hair that was. So what you'll see like towards the end of the video is just me installing the hair the first time. If you don't know how to like do a Senegalese twist or anything like that, there are tons of videos on YouTube. I'm not gonna make another one. I just want to show you guys the hairstyle. In the back of my head, I did more, like I did maybe half of an inch of a braid, just starting with a regular French braid, and then I twisted the rest of it. And then towards the front, all I pretty much did was regular Marley twist or whatever you want to call them, so without the braid. What you'll see initially is just me putting them in, but then after I woke up this morning, I kind of looked at them and I was like, they're just a little bit too chunky for me. But this morning I was like, I just don't think that looks right for my face. And so what I ended up doing was just going kind of randomly in the front, mainly around my edges, and then I went here and there, like maybe just like this much, and I took out some of those bigger braids and just split those in half and made like smaller braids from those. And I think it works a little bit better for me. So no matter what braids I do like on my own, like myself, not crochet or anything like that, just regular braids, I always start small, like make them a lot smaller than I do it in like in the back. I don't know, I just think that the flow is nicer. I don't know. And I like the different variation of braid, like widths and things like that. So I just think it looks nicer. It's more pleasing to the eye instead of just having every single braid the exact same, you know, width or whatever. The hair was not all that soft. And so right when I took it out the package, I was like, it's hard. I don't even know, like I'm not even gonna play with you guys and act like that. It's not. It's definitely not my hair texture or anything like that. It's not like, I want to say it's like, I don't know, it's just very rough and coarse. So what I ended up doing was just putting a little bit of, and y'all know I hate doing this, but I did anyways, just putting a little bit like of my moisturizer or just something cheap, you know, something I didn't mind using on the hair and just running it through before I actually put it on my natural hair, and it did soften it up a bit. So I was completely happy with that. I ended up being like, oh, okay. And the hair comes out in pieces. You'll see towards the end of this video. You don't have to separate or anything like that. It's already pieced, so it comes out very easily. So you just pull the piece and you just twist. Made it very easy. I was like, okay, you're a little rough, but you're helping me out some with splitting it apart. So that was great. So when you're finished with your braids, you must dip them in hot water to like seal the ends so they don't unravel. And I ended up using my flexi rods to get me a little bit of curl, but I wasn't feeling a curl yesterday. So you'll see me like dip them, and then you'll see how the curl came out. And I was like, I don't think I'm feeling very curly right now. You make a mistake with how you want your curl pattern to be with this hair. The great thing about it is hot water can change it in like 2 seconds. So all I did was just like boil me some more hot water, and then just took my ends and just dipped them straight, like 2 sections, just dipped them in my thing of water, hot water, and then now the hair is straight. So this is just the hair in a bun. Is it heavy? No, it's not heavy to me at all. You can find Marley hair anywhere, but as far as the length goes, I couldn't find anything that was long like I wanted it to be, and I didn't have to put in all that work. So that's the trade-off. So throat is just not feeling good up in here. So anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not much, but it's not really too much I can say. Yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That would be great. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.